Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films. Hey, finish line. I know what you do. You better quit the sister, tell the people all the things that's not true. Yeah, finish line. I know the things that you do. Soon you're gonna do some crazy things to you. Yeah. You love the chance, and soon box it down. Finish line. You better quit what you do. Yeah. Nation. Yes, Richard Brown feel. Yeah. You know how to make this a public report. Yeah. Finish line. Finish line. You better quit what you do. If you don't stop the mix up, then go box it down. Yeah. Yeah, man, Paradise Nation. I know what you do. Richard Brown Films. Public report. Once again. Oh.
Hello, Sheriff.
Jesus Christ. Village King, me tell her please, when you come not frighten me, so sorry, me easily frighten you know.
How much time was tell you my name is not Village King, it's Village Lawyer. From the last time the blasted man left here, come like you cannot stop chat about King.
So me get used to that name, sir. Forgive me. So what's going on now?
It's past, I'm passing through and I say me I come give a visit, you know.
But Village Lawyer, I must say, I found when no one link you, me glad you pop up. From other day, I can't find one of my underwear. And I just wake up in the morning, my foot swell up, look here, I can't walk. Me not understand.
Well, I might know who thief your underwear.
Please, me I beg you, tell me, me need to know. Me need to know.
Hold on, man, hold on. So you don't have anything to give me?
Like money, right?
I'll take anything.
Man, anything. Me dear money, man. I want you to tell me, Village Lawyer. Because I'm so scared, me not understand. You know, so when you're missing them things that as a woman, you have to fret.
You know, the one running some blacks, blacks.
Yes.
You have a little thief in daughter, a little maga one, and she thief your panty.
You know, so my mind did wonder, but which part of she could have worn my panty?
I don't know. This little girl is a thief. She's a very ranking thief.
She rank for you, because if the thief it over the line, she have to rank. But what she really doing? Because she maga. That me I say. Because she maga.
The blasted man where you have, him jealous over. Him jealous over the one where you did have. So he want to come walk up upon him. She come link me this morning, you know. And me I said, no sir, Sherry is my good friend. I just take it from her.
So you have the panty, sir?
No, not the panty. She cash some money come so she want me walk look something for her. But me tell her me I know be a man still.
What a wicked. You see, ow. No man, right now me panic. Me afraid. Me I get me afraid. Jesus Christ.
No need to be alarmed, man. No need to be alarmed. I was just coming through to ensure that everything is
Sir,
okay.
look
Because
how me
know
foot.
everybody
Me
business.
cannot walk, you know. My foot swell big. Me I say me no know. Me really want you to tell me walk on my foot coming up. So all if you get arthritis.
Say no say Navlet I walk by you.
Hey, Jesus. No, me can't believe this.
Navlet I walk by you.
Really? So hold on, they tell me something now, Village Lawyer. Two somebody I walk by me one time. How me I go manage this?
Listen to me no man, it's the two of them I walk by you. The little girl I walk by you for man and she I walk by you because she bought something from back in the days. Long time she I walk by you, she just a walk.
Me can't believe this.
Me tell you something cause not tell nobody so me tell you do you
No,
know.
sir, me not tell nobody.
You see the one blacks, you see him little daughter when you have a breed. Think in the street, I'm breeding daughter. Think.
No man, this is some corruption and nastiness.
Take time talk.
Oh, me
Take
tell
time
you,
talk.
nobody really there now, me alone there, but me can't believe this is shocking, this is nastiness.
Marco, I saw them turn. I saw him that the family turn. They right there one another right through. So that the problem with that. But not tell nobody, so me tell you, you know.
No, me not tell nobody.
Alright, but I do go up on my office, you see?
So, village guy, I want to link you for something for my foot, man, because I can't go like this. Me a young girl, I'm not supposed to play a walk and a half.
You're not supposed to play a walk and a half, you need some fellatio.
Fellatio. So, what is the meaning of that?
It's for you to find out.
Fellatio. No, no, so.
Oh, I never remember to tell you. Just come up on me and have some rubbings for you, see?
Alright.
Yeah, man, just come
so
up.
much better.
Yes, alright. We shall get her.
Yeah, man.
Girl. I hear is a father breeding and nothing go so?
Really?
Is what kind of life can your father down there live?
Nothing no go so. My father no breed me. Who could I tell you the story there?
So you mean to tell me say thinking I treat and nothing no go so?
Nothing no go so.
So that means say I want a little boy them around a breeder then?
Me no know who breed me no.
I mean, what kind of life you live? What if you don't know who breed you? Eh? What kind of careless girl in that there? You think in the street say your father breed? Say your father breed you?
No, my father breed me.
Then what kind of thing that your royal family? Your family royal?
I know my father breed me.
Eh? Then what kind of thing them there? You and your father is one set of dirty smarty. You and your father.
I know my father breed me and I go tell my father.
Say-
Who tell you that?
Listen to me. Think in our street. You think. Better yet. Sure, tell me say your father breeder.
Sure.
Yes. Yes, I don't know where I come from. She just tell me say, how your father breed you. Think.
I
And
know
for a young girl like you, why you make your father have to come between her legs?
It's not my father. It's not my father breed me.
So how you finna know who you
Me
get
just
from?
don't know who breed me.
Go on, cause
Yeah, sure, I'll tell daddy.
now tell him say me tell you.
Daddy.
I want to again.
Yeah, no, Sam, a while ago me a come, me pass the look dirty liar boy. Stop me, I not talk about here.
Who, the village liar?
Yeah. Boy, here say you breed me.
What?
Boy, you breed me. And he say a Sherry tell him.
No man, come on, we're good on the no sir. We're going to good on Take time. See, that is why I tell you say to stay off the road and don't chat to people in the community, you know. Because all of them don't love mix up too much. Man, they love mix up too much. How them fi say it like that? Me have your friend, your baby.
Me tell him man say I know him a talk about how me fi make me father come between me leg.
Alright, wait till I see it, Sheriff. Wait till I see her. Come on. Go right down like you are, you know. You know. Miss Sheriff.
Hello.
Yeah, come here. Give me a minute.
Yes, sir.
You know, me here say, your chat say, I'm a breed my daughter.
Me?
Yeah, I mean say, if I you. Me here say, I'm a breed my daughter. You need to explain yourself because I don't know how you come to say, I'm a breed my daughter. I have her friend, she have 1 month old. So how you attack and tell people so?
Sorry, listen to me. I don't have time to sit down and chat people, so I don't know where that comes from. I don't know who tell you, but I have nothing to do with that. So I don't know why you come over me.
Listen man, me hear it from good source, and you know you destroy my daughter's self-esteem. If you say me a lie down with my daughter, go between her leg.
Look, I don't want to come over here and try accuse me and say me call up on the name pan. Look, girl, I said, if you can't find who put that in front of you, that's your business. Go and pan a search and go try and find it. And I come over here and start the foolishness because I never see you with a woman up a year yard yet. So I go to your brother for too. So I don't want to come out of my yard when I go and go no business.
You know,
come over here with no
hold on.
podcast.
You know what I'm going? Me I go sue you for public mischief because if you attack them, they sitting in front of me, dad. Not cry me daughter, don't cry.
Come out of my yard. That's why I don't know if you're sorry for you.
Don't say that man. Remember say me, why me daughter? Remember say me I go sue you. Me I go sue
A
you.
long time she alright. Don't let me alone, man.
they do?
How they do? You see what they do?
You know, say I have a piece of something to tell you. That's something to tell you, man.
What that now?
You know, say Sherry, I say, you hobby him.
Eh?
Stop, take time talk now. Think. You just see me a while ago, tell me say you hobby him.
Me?
Listen now. Take your time.
How me over him?
Say you give him sore foot, foot fat up so round there.
That girl leave born with a big foot and swell foot, so you don't come call my name, you don't want my name called by certain things. Make him big foot.
Listen.
Make him big foot. He put a size was size 16 and him more size 14. He could expect a little foot. So you not tell a lie about me.
Not the foot, the leg, the thigh, fat. Say you take when jaws and give him fat foot.
I'm not even like a girl, yeah. I'm not even like a little ranking, redkin, dirty, ranking girl, yeah, that can call me name. You know, I mean, I'm calling her certain things, man.
Listen, me, not tell him say me tell you, you know, not tell him say me, just keep me out tight. You see me? I think I'm actually me a friend long time. That's why I come to tell you. You see me? But do not call me name and tell him say me. Do me I beg you.
Sherry, see so?
Sherry think up. Me say me go over there. He not even wash. He not even know.
So if you think me now, if you take time and time, me can't go over there and say, shut
Stop now. Me go around there. You're dirty for your brown girl. Place dirty and nasty. And Maggie almost take him out over there.
And he have a chat, and the other city, I say, me give him foot.
Oh, he rank. Rank. I mean, we are good girl. But why? No, sir. I wish I man them put that up on your neck. You see you Navlet, and easy, you know, Navlet. Navlet.
What else we can help you with your too fast enough?
Anyways, trust me, 2 pound of flour and 2 tin mackerel, you see? But a long time your body, no?
Look for how long you owe me. Look for how long you owe me.
Navlet, you have to make everybody know. You know, so me I'll get paid.
Why not that China go tell him so?
The money, listen to me now, man. Listen to me now. When the check come, me just wait for the check to come. Because through them dip me never get fi collect all of my money. But now at bank, I put in the process now. So now me can get the money. So no worry about that, man. Money a come and a pound. Say no.
China take check and a China change pound. Me change Jamaica money as well. So here you go to the China and tell him so. Cause you love trust you don't want to pay.
Me ever take your things and not pay for
Look how long you want me month hard.
But you still I go get the money. You still don't do me that.
Unless
man.
you give me extra money for the man when you give time to pay me.
When the money come, man, you surely will get a little extra, man. Come on, man. Don't do me that, man.
But when you see you want, cause right now you go tell me about people say me I walk over and my head get GG. Cause me I go over there to her right now, me a lucky shop and go.
No. Listen, as me say, keep my name out of it. Just give me 2 pound of flour and 2 tin mackerel make me go on, please. But keep my name out of it, man. Nobody tell them say me tell you so, you know.
Yeah, man.
You hear me say? No tell them say me tell you so. Thanks. Thanks. Anyways.
Packet it and go on, cause me I go right now. Me a lucky shop and go over there, cause she bright.
That's why me not like tell you nothing, you know. Me not like tell you nothing. Just keep my name out of it.
Certain things me name if you call pan. Bigfoot, share.
Where you come over here and call up my name so loud for?
No. Imagine, look how me I live. Look how me I live good. And you did tell the whole district say me give you foot. And me give you sore foot. Your foot not big for your man. We have to put me go be a man. If I see me, I will be a man. Get.
You know, say come like a cross is then said for me door. First I did, listen me man, now come over here with a problem. Who tell you that? Because everybody come and I say they hear, say this and say that. Who tell you that?
Who
If you
tell
can't
you
say
that?
oh, you know make no sense to come over here and make nice in my yard.
Alright, I want me no nice in your yard, think I make your foot. You owe me all long, pay me rest of money. You owe me make me finish, go be a man, go down your foot.
How much
Think
money?
as me
How
I
much
walk
money
over here.
you owe
You owe me $1,650, that $10 kind for the end.
So,
give me it, let me finish, go
because
be a man.
you hear say me say, you give me foot, you come over here and tell me say you want money.
Give me me rest of money, make me go out
Oh,
be a
that
man.
add up.
Give me rest of money, make me go be a man. If you walk and I tell them they lie for me. You will do anything to you, you cut me throat, but me know you cut me
Miss
throat
Nablet,
$1,600.
Miss Nablet, can I come and say since you put the color in your head, it start turning an idiot.
A fool too.
Miss, Me don't call your name to nobody and say you give me no food. I'm never born with no big foot for your information.
Your
And
father
even
was a
if
size 16 and your mother was a size 14.
Even if my foot big, I can tap in your chest when I come
Tap in on my chest, tap in on my chest, and give me my money, give me my money.
Me not afraid.
After
Me
you
not
chat me.
afraid. Alright, I'm get behind me, Satan.
After you chat me, you don't want to pay me money, share, pay me money, make me
Me
go
not
on.
ready to pay you yet. And you go wait till me get the money to pay you. Because I'm broke right now. So you go wait. Okay. Now come on me and
Okay.
mix up your bank
You come and shop again. Remember, you ever hungry? So you come and shop. You go come trust again. Because you ever hungry every week you trust. Every week you trust. That's why I walk and see you're nasty. You're nasty.
I don't give a damn what they want to say.
You're nasty.
You can't say me nasty because you don't live with me.
You're nasty for me. I come on
That's
this and smell that
nasty.
smelling stink.
Me every year stand just
Stink.
smell need to wheel and come again.
Give me my
Come
money.
again.
Give me my money.
Miss who can give you your money, miss? Go on over here and come out of my yard, please.
No make it there, you not give me money. You know.
No, ma'am, I can't pay money.
Thank you.
Use it.
Thank
so
you.
Go on.
Thank
you.
you.
Mix up your
Thank
banger.
you.
Lead the way. Garbage.
Why, Betsy? I want to take you out of the condition where you're in now, but I had to wait for a little money from over England if you come and see. So I can drive you again. Boy, may go through some hard road. Me and you carry me go, you carry me come. Boy, Betsy, I love you. One day I'm going to take care of you. You see, I'm going to take you out of the condition, Betsy. Boy.
This is liar.
Oh, boy!
Can come.
I come.
Come to see you now, sir.
I was sleeping, you know. It's what now?
Sir, can come inside.
I never expect you to be here. What is it?
Village liar, I really want you to help me. Because the whole community come down for me now. Everybody come to me and I say this about them. You just come like one bad luck. Me want you break that curse off me. Please, me, I beg you.
Boy, this come like a bad luck. This come like a witchcraft. Me tell you about them people around there, you know. Me tell you, this is why you see how far me come up in the hills. Eh? I don't like these people around here. They mix up. All them do is wash your and chat your business. That's all them do.
I agree with you,
Me
sir.
no like them.
Because me there, me had every day somebody come with different hearsay.
So
Me not understand and me not say nothing about nobody. Me can't manage because a while ago, Miss Navet come to me and say she hears me say she give me big foot. Me not understand.
Then his wish pa she get that from. Me tell you about them people around here, you know.
Anyway, me just want you to help me break that curse because me know you can do it. Me I beg you, me with anything where it takes, I will do it. Just name it. I pay the price, anything. Because me can't manage this no more.
The best thing I can tell you, is me alone there, and it's long time I don't feel a fellatio from a woman. So might as well you just come move in.
Liar, you're flesh, you can't tell. Me need help. I tell me about your feel. Me can't even call the name. Look at man. Sir, just me I beg you for help. Me can't do this. Me not supposed to feel laugh like that because this serious.
Alright. It's kinda later now, so here what me I gonna make you do. You go down here, yeah, you see?
Yes, sir.
And go sleep. Get 3 leaf of life and put you on your bed and sleep on the same side where you sleep last night. But come back to me tomorrow. Let me broke some coconut and light some fire and break this curse off for you, see?
Yes, sir, I appreciate
But
it.
rear something more ready. Something more sexy.
So, sir, we are trying to tell me say what me have on look good.
This-
And somebody I look, I go help me.
No, but the spirit realm asks for what it's
Okay,
want.
sir. So what time you say tomorrow?
Come out in the morning, man. In the morning, anytime. Just come.
My
You-
mosquito up in your yard.
when you come, you come. And when you come, you can come too.
You know, say, I be, me not understand your language when I speak.
Listen, man. When I get the money from England, you know, I can ensure so you'll get all a nice little hairstyle. You see? Nice little. And you want to have some little braces and all
Sir,
them.
me don't want to talk about that. Me just want to hear say I go help me. So you say what if say me to come tomorrow?
Then I help me and help you.
Sir, but if you help me not talk about them, they help the way I talk about.
Listen to me. Me said, do what me say for do, you know. Come back tomorrow, come check me.
What time?
When my brain settle tonight, me I think about something. So when my brain settle, you can come. But just come check me tomorrow, you see?
Alright.
Walk good.
Alright, thank you. Here?
Remember, not tell nobody my business.
No, sir, none of that.
Alright. So you're going to take care of everything in our house, right?
Mm-hmm. When I have a good day at work, you don't know anything. Go fix up yourself.
Yeah, man. So what you cook today?
I cook some chicken. Not even know yet.
Nobody cook, you know, because I'm not even hungry when they come home.
You go eat.
Eh?
Me still have to cook.
No, man, I eat at work.
You see you're clean.
Yeah. I was, you know, the storm is blowing. So you have to keep cool.
And you have your lunch in your bag. You need
Yeah.
to your lunch. Alright
Yeah.
then.
So, everything good, right?
Yes, everything alright.
Alright, so when the time comes, you will know still, but probably maybe do double shift today, so if you're not feeling up fresh.
Double shift.
Yeah, baby.
But then say maybe storm comes.
Yeah.
Hey, walk along.
Oh, man.
Where the brand idea?
Oh, I work me there, go fun, you know.
Oh, okay, I go.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so yo, here what? When I fall back, look more money catch what in hot bull the way you bake up, I bake it for me.
I don't mean, man, I must care about man. So, if you feel like a daughter, how breed I?
Boy, I see him question me and ask her from when a who breed her, but guess what happened? The worst part about she a breed, you know, is the whole community have you say, oh, I'm a breeder. You know that no sound good, you know, me feeling myself as a father, for people that talk to I'm a breed my daughter.
How much one of them little boy, trust me.
Well, you know how we know, cause me ask her and she not tell me no sensible argument. She has said, daddy, me no like me, he take me for idiot.
You know what I'm saying? Me understand when they were young kids there. No matter how they know the truth, they hold it down. They now will tell you, so you have to just catch up on them.
Alright, but me figure it out still because me feel disappointed if you know say boy me have her friend she had 3 months old, her mother run gone left me. But it is what it is. Here what you do. You see when you go to the road and you become a son gone pick up one little money from somebody from man and you know come back. If you see her, just tell her say me there on here wait.
Alright, me do that. So, look how more.
Alright, do what you have to do.
We are drinking Pepsi. What do you want to do? You want to give me the diabetes?
How me feel for?
Feel for what?
The Pepsi.
You must be mad, man. You know, say you're a real mad young girl. Listen to me, man. But anyway, I don't want to talk about right now. I'm glad, say. We just have come up here for that.
Yeah.
I don't know who breed you. But I'm so glad. I'm going to thank you. If you not tell him.
You know, say, them have it in our community. Things say my father breed me, and I know my baby father and my father breed me. But when they ask me who breed me, I just tell them, so me no know.
Boy, I tell you the truth, I'm sorry about that, but I can't help him, you know. He must be watching it out. He does make it stay that way there. But me, I beg you, no make me, just keep it between me and you. When the baby born, the baby good. You see my wife down there now, she's just for a little time because me I make sure me put him out when time that baby ball, you know. Because you and me have to live down there and you want to run the shop. Me give her back one thing of sachets or one bottle of Pepsi. Every time when we go to the shop, I want one thing before, you know. So nothing wrong with that.
Alright then, so when you come home later, bring to the hot bowl of them for me because I eat the baby one.
Come on, bring on one whole bag. And stop, give Pepsi.
You can buy me back one juice?
Go up to your father.
Me thirsty.
Go on up.
Morning. Nablet, boy! Nablet! Come here, girl, come here. I have news for you. Come on, before the news run out of my head.
Good morning.
How they do? Is where husband there?
In Ghana work.
Gonna work. You sure I working on?
So which part tells me husband we going to work every day?
Every day. You see you? Me tired of tell you say that man is not good for you, you know. You have to get a good man like me where could just come from foreign.
No, come
You know
try
which-
put me husband against me. You're bright and out of order. Eh?
You know which part me see him this morning? Eh? Round and Blacks with Black's daughter.
Eh?
Yes, Black's daughter is. I never know say he's in breed
You must
Black's
help
daughter.
him out with lunch money.
I never know say he's in breed Black's daughter.
What you say?
It-
Move friends with your nonsense, man.
You run a shop, you so sit down at daytime and your husband, they up a Black's yard with Black's daughter, end up breed her and you run.
Don't tell me nonsense about me husband. You must be mad. You're mad, man. You're mad, somebody. It's too early for this. It's too early.
Look for me good. You see me as a man who tell lie? Eh? You sit down run a sit down like a mule at daytime and your husband they road a breed woman. Eh? Come up on me yard, girl. Come there with me. I run him out and make me come in.
You're talking nonsense. Here what? Here what you do? Watch it shop for me. Okay, if I saw you go, me and grown up blacks right now go shake my in that and squash over this. Okay, say if I saw it go, I have to come out of me yard today, me I send him out and run him home. So just watch it shop for me, you hear?
Do not tell him say me tell you. You know.
Every time you come with mix up your pan, do not tell him say me tell you.
You know me not like mix up. Navlet. You know me not like mix up. I don't like me name my road. Just not tell them say me. Do.
Give me a couple minutes. Stay and watch the shop for me. You know every price, you trust everything in here.
All right.
Blacks! Blacks! And Navi!
Hey, walk one of you. Hold on. I really money where you come from.
No, sir, because you know me not pressure every money.
What happened to you now?
Me can't talk to you one man, sir. Call you where your daughter there.
How what she do?
Where your daughter?
Jade! Daddy! Come here! I wonder I could have happened, you know, me can't.
And if you know, say somebody just tell me, say, all the while then see Papa and your daughter, Papa breed your daughter.
Hold on.
Papa then say, me have to really know if it's true. Because today me have fling out blacks if I saw it go. Because that's a nonsense. See, and my best friend, I'm telling me not trust people.
Hold on. Let me understand clearly what you say. You say your husband, which is my best friend, breed me daughter. Jade, really. Tell me where breed
No,
ya.
Daddy, remember, me don't know who.
So much money I sleep with little girl, and so much money you want to sleep with and take.
So-
Talk it true, because me want to know what to do. Me know say you reach the age. and everything, but me just want to know if I'm my husband.
And
Breed you.
him.
Jade, me want,
Daddy.
listen man, listen. You been a take me for idiot, you know. And you don't have the whole community a tell lie for me, you know, say me breed you, you know. So you need to talk it truth. If a him get you pregnant, just tell me. Please me I beg you, Jade. Me your father and me love you and want the best for you. But me, you can't continue to tell me them a foolishness. Me supporting everything, but me can't keep up to this. You need to tell me how get you pregnant. If I him. Because if I him, he have to come out of the community.
Little girl, then have so much money and sleep with that you don't know who breed you. You must have an idea and the time frame if you want me sit down and you tell me a month of belly and who you did sleep with. Me we can't calculate if you know if a female husband breed you. Me just want to know who breed you.
Daddy, me don't know how breed me.
You know what? Me tired of foolishness, you know, just because me probably not lick you.
Yeah man, let me help you papi thing.
Yeah man, me probably not lick you, that's my problem. And that's my problem, man. No man, come here. Nobody running up, come. And that's my problem, man. No man, I'm here, no. Me no want you pop tick to lick me pick, you know. Any licking a go on and me a lick me daughter. Oh, come right here, so. Nobody have the foolishness. Me no want to have to beat up on the belly, you know. Me don't want to have to beat up on the belly. Just tell me the truth. But as I say, me don't want you lick me daughter, you know.
No man, you not used to forget it. Me will feed the lick for you.
Come, tell me truth. Tell me truth. Who get you pregnant?
Daddy, me don't know if Randy, Mark, Paul, or Blackhead, or Romy.
Jesus Christ! If me have a penny bad like I me catch you sitting on fire and pepper it. How much name? Yeah, how much? You're not just 18.
Because girl, you make me feel shame. You make me shame. Please. Nobody with the foolishness I call one bag of people picking name. I get people mixed up in your galangin. Me support you from the moment you breed, me should run you out, you know. I who breed you, a papai. Because me get me and me not think a line of you tell you know. Say a papai breed you. Tell me
They
truth.
say they see little girl and him locked down every time you're gonna sit there and see man him run back, catch up all about.
Tell me truth.
So
Tell me truth. Me no want to feel like you know. Tell me truth. Talk to me, man. Talk. You know what?
A papa.
Just tell me truth. Tell me truth. Cause right now come like a mad you want me mad. Tell me truth.
A papa.
Jesus Christ. No. Now tell me say you make Navi husband papa breed you. Now tell me that. Jesus Christ.
You make your next one, you make your best friend. Come in your yard, come breed your daughter. You never have no little hint, no little clue.
Hold on. You're a husband, you know. You should have your husband under control, you know. You should have your husband under control. If you didn't have your husband under control, your husband wouldn't breed me daughter.
You know my husband how much? You should have your daughter under control.
You know what? Come grow on. Cause you see when me see Papa, me I'm gonna have you out.
You and him have you out, man. Cause send me a send it where you know. Pack me a pack him out. So you and him have you
know
out.
what me I gonna do? I go send she way. Me can't live with this a disgrace in our community. She have to either go down on my sister or somebody a country. Go on. Bring all disgrace this.
Me don't know for James, me don't know for Randy, me don't know for Blackhead.
Come on. I was a nasty bit of garbage. Put garbage on the gate. Who's a nasty?
You see garbage you say you get? Is it garbage like you? Go in a bag and roll to start the roll. Oh, you figure breed your best friend daughter. When you're worthless, so me do everything, me give everything. You say me I get 2 hole and hear them, I get 2 gram. If you die in my head, see me die out my head, yeah. Me do everything just because of you. And you still go take up one little pitney and get breed him. Me know say she 18, but there's a piece of not even one call the word.
Oh, telling them the lie there, baby. Baby.
I don't mean bring my friend that. I would never do that. Why would I do? Come on. You really believe them people there?
The little girl talk you out and own a mouth.
In cancer.
Say, are you breed him?
In cancer, that's how time own a mouth. Not even the horse's mouth can come back and say me breathe. Let me tell you something. They don't like to see me already. So anybody who can tell you, a bad man me and you.
Right now, me no like to see you neither. So just kill out, come out of your house and go on. Come out of yard, go on. You be like green a pastures, go on. Go on.
Go get me.
Go on.
Go get me liar. Go get me liar. Go get me liar. Listen. Go get me liar. Half of that for me.
Half a what? Half a what?
My sister.
Look how long you're there. Half a water for you.
When me know you have one thing that's that is a one good thing in the shop. I'm a stocky shop. I pay a case of everything we buy.
Just like how you stack your little girl belly. Just like you stack your little girl belly, you stack your shop. Go and go get half of the investment. They start over. Get half of investment. Sing your nice baby there. You go along. Me alright. Me and me little picking them here, so we good. We don't want you. 1 year's a garbage.
You want me one day, you know. You want me one day, me I tell you. One day you must want me.
Why you do what? You do what with? We don't want you. You're embarrassing.
You really do me this?
Embarrassing, man.
You put my clothes in a garbage bag instead of me good old suitcase or whatever.
Boy, Navi. Long time I tell us if you come up a yard then, but I don't know why hold you back. Why hold you back, Navi? I want me to look good. Eh?
Drink up, man. Drink up. You don't want nothing else.
When me used to there England, you know, man, it's nice woman like you, me have, you know. Me have a what, you know. Nice woman. Me live good when me there England.
That now not having with me. You are England. When can never stay? Where you make them put you back out here for?
You know, so when me come from England is the reason why them send me out is because them said the Jamaican them who over there and no papers have to go leave. So they send me down in a ring rush. And me did I live good over there, you know? And if I tell you something again, you know what say? All what go on around here, so. You know what say? And me tell Sherry say the little girl they breed. And me same one tell Black say. But anyways, I me
You
them
want more rum?
I me them
You can't get a next drink, you know.
this no
Drink, yeah, man. Dog.
tell us something again. You know say share every night. You see along like in innocent every night. Two different man come over here now. Two different man. You want scam a boy from around the road there. You want next scam a boy from up the road there. He just running me something red. He not get no break and then a morning time you see him come out and he go on like him dandy. And it
You say you can't be big man, you cannot be coughing in my face like that, man.
Sorry man, sorry. Come here. And you see, as talking about Cheryl, you see, is me tell her say Black's daughter breeding, and is me tell her about the sore foot. Nothing go so everything what go along around I say is me because the dirty people them believe in me and me come from foreign. I'm boring. It's the only thing me want is that nice little young girl up there if you can't give me fellow show.
Yes, man. Keep on top, man. So what about anybody else? What about blacks? So blacks really pregnant daughter? You know that part of it?
No, you know, hear me? It's me come up with that idea because I've never seen that boy with a woman. And he up there, he just up there. Me never see him with a woman. Me don't know what kind of life he live.
I walk and I pour the people in meditation so I come here and create one piece of mystery. Everybody in the district you should live good before you come here, you know. Me say, friend, you come here, nobody not live good in the district, you know.
Stop it nice, man. I just threw me and your clothes, make me a pinch you and tell you.
You say your pig man is a nasty piece of... Drink up, man.
I have more to tell you. Cause Rona nothing, listen. Rona nothing no normal Rona, you know. These people you have to look out there, yeah. You can't trust them. You can't trust them, are two-faced. Listen. Put the drink on my tab. Here? And I tell nobody, so me tell you. Remember, no call me name. You hear? It's not me keep me name out of it. Cause anything me know, if me hear nothing again, and you first me I can't tell you know. It's because me believe in you. Me believe in you and want to come between you. You see me? I want enjoy it. Just put it on my tab, you see?
One man could have picked it and see so.
Alright, you call about the near?
Bagwan.
Bagwan.
We just come to tell you. Sorry. We just come to apologize to you.
Apologize? Is this a prank? Where camera there? Where
No.
camera?
You see, because I didn't want misunderstanding and I know say me wrong and me acknowledge say me wrong. So me a come to say, because you can't do take easy from people. So me really sorry if you come your yard with the embarrassment and me big mouth.
So me know say God is God, you know. Pray and see that. Thank you, Father. So how you find out say I lie them when they tell for me now?
A village liar, can't tell me, you know.
Village liar. You know say something about him, you know. Me know say something about him. Every time he come and say something, I say, nobody call me name, you know.
Yes, he always a say that. No call me name, you know, no call me name. Last night he did a drink rum. Drunk like a dog.
I like.
And tell me say, him send blacks to you, say who their inbreed daughter. He tell me that the story there. He come again and tell me say, you say, me give your foot.
You know say he come to me and tell me say you give me foot.
Jesus Christ.
They never see him without turning.
He tell me say, you say me give him foot. So me make sure I come to you. And me cause cause me the angry over it. Come you think come and me shop every day by. And he say me give him foot. And I never do that.
Carry go bring come man. Carry go bring come must come to an end.
He drunk again. He just talk every business and saying can't message my yes so today so. So when me look into it now, me say man I can one piece of chaos in the neighborhood.
And me just him and look up to him as a village doctor. Me can't believe this all now. I know me shock. Me can't believe say I saw him come down. Lord Jesus. The man come and me had every day with story, you know me I say, I wonder if I'm man for real. So me put me trust in him all and beg him help say me want me foot. So then me pray to God and me foot go down. Nothing but
A
God.
doctor or a liar. Liar that the man there no doctor nothing to help you with no foot. Village liar.
Yeah, how me look up to the man, me call him liar, doctor, everything, all teacher. Cause me look up to him.
Me glad me know I can't have nothing to come and me shop go and trust again. And right now you see me take 2 big stone and lick him in the head. But put all that aside, me kinda glad he tell me say, and me husband breed black's daughter, cause you know, me meet one nice man and he say he like pretty ear girl, and me put on a dress looking like a Chinese. So make sure I put on a Chinese man and go buy one, and me going on a date now.
So what? So you have your husband left?
Yes man! Cause I inbreed black's daughter, you know, hear what me I tell you say I inbreed the little girl.
I know me can't believe this. I know me can't believe this.
Inbreed the little girl.
I know say the village liar tell me say the father breed the little girl.
Yeah man.
See you see those say me's a mischief maker.
Anything you want, chat.
Me say it must come to an end in the name of Jesus. See there? Thank you Father, my name is free.
So well,
Thank you, God.
Because the man say he want a Chinese woman, so me get a Chinese dress.
Oh you mean? I must say I
Going
look good
out
girl
and a
for
little
morning.
date with
Hey! Oh you
So
mean?
yes,
I
that
look
works
good
in
girl.
my favor. So take care of
Alright.
yourself.
Yeah man, bless
Yes.
up.
what one of it? You know, say you make that come to. You come apologize. Come on, yourself, girl. On top of the plum. I told you pregnant, still my child plum. Apologize, I can apologize again to what my daughter do. Because you see him have him back on him back. I can't go put him on a bus. I send him go back a country. Because I can't manage him.
I know, your daughter and they have to look on the big man side them sometimes. You can't go blame your daughter. Because some man can know themselves too. She should have known herself, but Papa should have known himself. I want to tell her last night I said to go and I'm shop. Me have to talk. Everybody me I go on the foot. On the road me I stop and tell. Village liar say. Village liar say. I him can message to Ishi and the old lady drunk and talk everything when he goes out everybody's secret.
What do you mean everybody's secret? What do you mean by that?
Village liar say him walk and tell people say you breed your daughter.
Jesus.
He talk your time one mouth laugh kiki. I me tell him I'm making breeding daughter. I me tell you say you can't stand there. How long me I look in kind of with that person sitting in the shop last night. It was a movie.
You see, that's why in house have to lean over like it a drop down in and this a dirty car when you have park from when the right so can't move. If you have a mind that's all bun down in house and light in car.
Just when people mind dirty man, they just left them to time and left them to. Just left him man. Cause anything when I look for it, I go come before him. That's head man day. He tell me everything. I tell him say breed your daughter. And me tell it Sher say you give Sher 12 foot. He tell Sher say no. And then he can tell me say Sher say me give him.
But like you tell me still, what I go do before me care up a little girl, I go apologize to Sher because I did really cuss her and go and bad.
I just apologize to her. She deserve the apology because I did go over there go be.
Alright, come on, I apologize to her before I go in.
And remember go country now, but I go take the man a country.
Don't take man from pregnant belly.
Them opinion can't hear me.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, morning. You know, so I come to apologize for what I did say you say. Because I get to find out because Navi just tell me say a village liar. All the mix up on the lie we are going in the community and him do it. So I come to apologize for how I did behave to say are you say I breed my daughter. I get to find out the truth, man. I get to find out say the Navi husband breed my
Navi when
daughter.
just come here so too. And she apologized to me and tell me everything so me understand. I'm glad he come down to this because me really did feel away. So everybody have my name and say me this and me that.
Yeah, me kind of feel away too for people there say me breed my daughter and me did upset about it too. But like me glad say everything pacify out and everything. But me just want to apologize. That's all. Alright, sorry about what me did say.
Daddy, apologize.
Water broke.
Alright, yo, help me with that. Help me with that.
I'm not taxi number, so you have
Jesus is my deliverer. I know He delivered me. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. I know He delivered me. Jesus is my deliverer. Hey, sister. What you doing, Sheriff?
I invited you to prayer meeting, you know. From when I invited you, but just keep telling me you're coming, and I know you can't come. Who are you? Why you looking at me? Why you looking at me like
I'm
that?
alright, I'm good man. It's a blessed evening.
You know, say, hey, listen.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, Nablet run with your husband because he find out, say, he husband breed Black's daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Think in the street.
Mm-hmm.
Think.
You see man like you now, I pack your fear pack up and I left this a community. You need to run away. You would know say nobody will find out your dirty deeds.
Sure.
You feel a little bit of chaos because now this a community. I can't just go like you're a pastor this and that. He's a wicked man. And a little bit of things you do. You make Navlet run with your husband. You make Navlet come across me like a dog. You make people have me name on the top of this community say me a wow. Me that pass to be a witch. Just because of you.
Sure, it's where you get this from. Eh? Look at me. I'm a man of truth. And everything.
Man of evil. Listen to me. You remember we got along with over shop there last night? Junk and a chat all the way you do. God is good. That's all me can say. You make black star run with female little daughter. Oh, you come down so as a man. They say a man of God with a plug your Bible, man. Like and strike you. You can chat off your mouth and you carry people name to me and then you carry my name to people. If you stop it, I move if you move from me get and go along fire some man. I burn if you burn in your house and run away.
Next time I hear anything about you, I'm not gonna tell you.
There will never be another you because you have to go get running from yourself. Remember that. There's a wicked man.
Go wash your dirty clothes. Go clean your house. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. Nablet. Good evening. This is where you dress up a good girl.
You out of order and you make up on a date and come back.
Boy, you look nice. Eh? It's full time like you let run your man in a man. You can't come over now.
Just no matter the rubbish this evening.
You know, say, over at, you know, here.
Hear what?
It's thinking High Street, Cherry's a walking cemetery. In just a nyame pitting them and dash them away. Listen. He not stop nyam belly. He nyam every pitney when get. Listen, I never know see such a time. I go over there and he nasty. You know, me say, all the one blacks, me see him with me.
Tappy this so. You know, remember we were going with last night? You know, remember your behavior last night? For a big man, walking with Bible every day. People like that only make me afraid if you go in a church as big as me be. Me no want you come back in a me yard with no sus, nothing. You only tell me want to see you back when you come pay your bill. I mean, if you pay your bill before me turn worse than you in that community. You need to pay your bill before me turn worse than you. You go along with that sitting last night, you talk about everybody business, you talk all what you do. Yes, man. Yes. So I need you to come out of me here before me take 2 big stone and take the Bible and beat in the word them where you walk with. Because you walk with the Bible but you don't read the Bible. That's why me tell you, say, you're a church goer. You're not Christian. You just go. If you look and pass.
Sister,
I mean, you want them people in me yard. I say, if you come out of me yard.
Listen, Sister Nava, oh dear.
Come out of me. Come.
You know, Sister Nablet, before we start, you know, it's me who live here, you know, and it's you who live over there. And I always find it joyful for us to have a one-on-one prayer meeting like this. We should do it more often.
Don't get it twisted now, but we should have because Jesus in our soul.
It's not Jesus alone should be in your soul, you know. But anyways, Sister Nablet, it would be a lot cheaper if you move over with me, you know. And we can actually get married now. Because I'm saying, we can't really do nothing until we're married. We can actually get married and we can, you know, it will be cheaper. You move over and you don't have a husband.
Come. And if you don't want to do this, I will go over my house and I will do it myself.
All right, come
I am okay.
I mean, Sister Navlet, listen, I'm eating salt, you know, so therefore, I just find you attractive. All right, let us start.
Don't eat salt.
All right, let us pray.
Come, we starting off with Psalm 140. Deliver me, O Lord, from the evil man. Preserve me from the violent man, which imagine mischief in their heart. Continually are they gathered together for war. They have sharpened their tongues like a serpent, and there is poison under their lips. Keep me, Lord, O Lord, from the hands of the wicked. Preserve me from the violent man who have purpose to overthrow my goings. So we're gonna stop there tonight.
See, I wanna be on your purpose, you know.
So yes, that is it for the night. So we'll go into our prayer now. Come, let's hold hands.
We have a little reverence.
Yes.
I like these hands, you know, Sister Navlet.
No, man.
Oh,
just
sorry.
Stop it, man.
Yes, Sister.
Have reverence to God now.
Yeah, man, yes.
Most holy, righteous God, eternal Father, I thank you for this night. I pray that you send your angel to encamp around this household, Father. and guide us, guide our church sisters, guide the homeless on the road. Give them health and strength and long life and prosperity to have a home, Father. Just guide us here tonight, protect us. In your name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Boy, Sister Navlet, that was a very beautiful prayer. No? We should do this. You should even know you brighten up my soul.
Yes, man, it is good sometimes to pray. So, you just like a police bus, so where you go?
Well, Sister Navlet, them say the angel won't visit you if you sleep naked, and I am trying to ensure so make me look properly dressed when them come to visit me, because I need little blessings. Huh? So I have to well dress.
Okay then. Anyways, I have to go to my bed now.
Alright, and remember, don't sleep naked, because the angel won't visit you. You see? Oh, Jesus. Sister Navlet. Yes, Sister Blair. I'm here waiting on you. Alright, listen. Just wear something sexy here. Something nice and sexy. Alright. Sister Navet is gone to bed, so just hurry up and come. I here waiting on you. Alright.
Reach.
Listen. Make sure you don't make a sound. Take off your slippers when I go inside here. You walk upstairs here. Hello, lovely.
Lord, what time? Jesus.
Hello, Pastor. Good morning. Yeah, I'm coming to church, but I just woke up, Just woke up, I'm tired. I know Sunday school is 9 o'clock. I'm gonna get ready, I'm coming. Couple minutes. Church. You know, see time.
You morning look early, please.
Cha. Home slippers. Jesus, come let me out.
Oh shit. Jump, pants. This blasted man on top parking car me gate. Then Sister Navlet is what make the pastor stop you in the middle of your singing. Eh?
And you sounded so lovely.
Yes, because when I lit the high pitch and go,
I felt
nobody
the
could
spirit.
tell me say me not sound good because me feel every ear and my body turn up.
I felt the spirit, man. I felt the
Listen
spirit.
to
That
me,
rocks
Miss
up.
Navlet. You know say the pastor not like you. I'm telling one key not like you. Because the big forehead girl in front, was sitting in front of him, Sister Blair, the big forehead one. Him and the pastor there.
What you saying?
Him and the pastor there. That's why him can up so in a front seat.
Oh, that's why he stopped me and tell me about, tell us say, listen to the words, guys, not the singing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what that?
But when she singing and she sound way worse than me, she never behaving like that. But we just a confront her better than this man.
Then my God, you know see the lady offering my brother Bruce through $100. Eh? Oh, your fist a ring for you $100 in a one church and your own supermarket.
Stop it, man. Village life, stop it. You just a come from church. No do you know nothing at all for me.
Then Sister Namblet is why you be yourself. You know me not tell you know anything me chat so you go. So you no bother with it.
Cause everybody come out and she's still in the church doing what? The church lock up and she says she will walk through the back.
Shit, she around
What
there,
kind of
shit.
No man,
I suspect she
no
do
back
shit.
home.
She
never
come,
come out
she
of the
come.
church.
She come out.
I'm here to tell you this church service today amazing.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I feel the spirit.
How they do, Miss Blair? How are you?
Good afternoon.
You alright? You know, we were just saying how lovely your dress is.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, you stand out more than everybody in the church today.
Thank you, brother. So, guys, you know I'm not staying too long, so I'm gonna head out. See you guys at the prayer meeting in the week.
Oh yes, and I forgot to tell you, the tired. I have some lovely tired that come down to give it a change of the flavor.
Okay.
Yes.
Jesus Christ, that red dress looks so hideous. Eh? You not tired? Every Sunday we wear the one red dress.
Me nah go join really up on this year one, you know.
You're talking about the little deliverance, you know.
But anyways, let them taxi take too long, you know. Are they go walk? Make me walk, no?
No, I have my fear. I will wait. The kind of man you walking, go.
Alright, sister, no better, so you behave.
I have my money and my fear, man. Walk.
Marjorie, I'll see you, see?
All right.
How do you do, sir?
How you do, sir?
Serve. Serve. Give me a little chaser there. Give me a little chaser. You have to go to church, you know, sir. If your mother home, I don't see you go to church again. If I need Chris new, I don't see you go to church again. What me?
Go to church, man.
This is what church do.
Church I love it,
Listen to me, sir. If you don't go now, when they done with you, you gotta go. Church no do nobody nothing, don't fi go. I mind my own business. Bartender, where chairs are there?
Right there, hand this.
a shot after this, and you little drink bang, burn them down in here. Tell the body says to me, I do this. Just keep it between me and you, see?
Brother Village Lawyer, how are you today?
Sister Candy,
Hi.
is how you do?
You know, me not so good, me thirsty, this one hot. Hello, sir.
Hey, oh, I don't see your church.
Nobody's not in there?
This share service there, you see her.
Okay, aye. Can you give me a cream soda or a cola champagne, please?
But anyways, oh, I don't see your church. This is where you do turn back.
Come back over here, sir. You know, some I like going to church people. Because I'm
What do
just...
you mean? Oh no, you're part of the system.
I am part of the system, but when I have my own business to do, I need to take care of it. Why you in my business like that? I'm not asking anything about you and your wife.
Listen to me, I'm not in
Cream
the
soda,
business.
please.
Don't
Thank
bring
you.
my wife into this.
You have any cola champagne? What is wrong with you, sir?
Don't bring my wife into this.
Banana.
No, I don't drink those. You don't have any natural juice?
It's me just there. I mean, I say a long time when I see you come to church, so I do that one. I never in your business. Your life is an open book. Everybody come in and see what I go on.
I went on a mission.
Which one of the mission them now?
You're still in my business. Open up the Bible and search it. Don't search me. I'm not a book. You have any juice?
You're not answer to me.
No, I don't drink
answer
that
to
one.
God.
Sorry.
Orange juice?
Yes, orange juice, please, and thanks.
You're not answer to me, but you will answer to God.
He's the one I'm supposed to answer to, not you.
Then is why you be so fiery, sister. Candy.
Oh, you can keep the change. What?
Okay.
It's
Thank
not
you.
really easy to be so fiery, man. But listen, I have something to pinch you and tell you. You should have come to church today. One piece or something.
And what, then when they give the offering out, they fuck with it?
Listen to me now.
Mm.
Sister Blair, come to church in a one dress. One red dress. Look so hideous. And he say up front oh enough because guess what? You know say money pastor, he might pastor side piece, right? Yes. Think in High Street. She come in at the one hideous dress and the tie head when Maria from couple moons back, him have that one tie head in my rear. And the one brother Bruce, for us he own supermarket, only give $100 offering. Eh? And me go down there, me just give them 5 bills. I mean, I don't know, a roadside, me a higgler. Eh? Only out of that. Another thing, that I get it now. Sister Navlet, me have to laugh. Sister Navlet, go up, go up at the pulpit enough. You know, he fight big and he fight, you know, enough and go up there about him and sing. And then before he starts singing, hear him now? Listen to the words, don't listen to the voice. Like, oh, you don't hear the words. If you don't listen to the voice. Eh?
You don't
Then
know?
go up there. I sing, and pastor take him down. Take him down. I crow. Mr. I want to laugh, but through me do how in thin skin and tan.
Brother Village Lawyer, you know the reason why I don't come to church this Sunday and it seems like I'm not coming back? The people them in the church mind people business too much. Everything them know. They know people business from left to right and feed them business as well. I go to church to change my life, as I said before. And I'm not coming back to that church. Because if I wear a wig, go to church, them watch it. If my shoes lean, them watch it. And if my dress tear, them watch it. Why them not just donate to the people them who do not have it? More and sit down and they gossip. They are all set of hypocrites. Anyway, Brother Village Lawyer, I need to leave now. I forgot my drinks. What was you going to say something? What were you going to say?
Thank God I'm not one of those people you refer to just now. I'm a man of truth. And listen, let me tell you, don't tell nobody, so me tell you that, Just keep it between me. Yeah?
I am not you, sir.
The pastor is going in a bag of things down at the church. But me tell about it. Me tell about it.
Lord of mercy.
Shopkeeper, look on yourself and see me read it to me. I say, I'll serve me another drink there. Mighty God in breath. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer.
Dirty village liar. Hey, tap.
Listen to me. It's who you are rank with. Who your dirty village liar.
Make a tip up it. You know, make a put on the phone here. Call me and you tonight, yeah. Why little chicken money where you promised me there?
Listen to me. Dennis, me sleep last night. Eh? Don't rank with me, girl.
Why little chicken money you promised me for a whole long when? You promised me the money from before Wappy kill Philip and Wappy don't kill Philip and him bury and long time.
So, is why you they run me down for that the little money that I promise you and the MP man what you did with for promise you almost something from when I ain't get it.
Look, No do that. Don't bring up that. Remember, say the big old married man, he have his wife. You have your chat out to make everybody know say me a MP something.
Then if you the rank with me, what you expect me to do?
Tap, man, tap.
You know what? I'm not bother give you nothing.
No, sorry, Mr. Village Lawyer, sir. Sorry. I saw me stay when my heart a race. Sorry, no man.
You look like you want something to cultivate. I can cultivate it for you, you know.
Take time talk, no man. You give me money or what?
I don't have it on me now.
What do you give me?
As soon as me get some money from England, the money for come in from England from when, and I don't know why. And my granny dead, you know.
You keep on promise me. No, I promise that comfort to a fool. Me might be an idiot, but me is not a fool, sir. And I want it right now. Right now, sir.
Marjorie, listen to me, Marjorie. I gotta see if me can try to get it from somebody to borrow, you see? Because nothing go on, as me say, the money if come from England from when. And it's not like me no want gain it because me know say in order for me to come and see you, I have to have money. And in order for you to give me fellowship, I have to also have money too. So give me some time, like I'll go get the money and come back and you just cultivate your hand because I don't like it bushy.
All right. Go on.
Just do what me say for do, you see? What a mighty God. Miss Candy.
How are you going now?
You even want to know. I have something for pinch and tell you. Come on, let me pinch and tell you.
Now, what kind of blender you try to put me in now?
You know, say, the one Rosie man come today. But this morning Rosie did have a man over there.
I like.
Think in the street.
You mean the Rosie with me know?
How much Rosie you know?
One Rosie and my friend.
Listen, I'm a man of truth. You ever know of me telling any lie?
No, sir.
Think in the street, the man there find how long, working money come here, come give him, and all she do is have a name that and a little young boy down the lane, Jing Bang Lee, down the lane, a come in her stall at night time. Eh? If you're a big woman, or you out order?
No, sir. I really saw Rosie did stay.
But anyway, I have a little emergency where I just come to see if I can borrow a little money from you, see? You know, I'll promise I'll give it to you. Give it back to you. Huh? You can't help me out, man. Me a friend long time.
Boy, Village Aya, I'm going to say one thing to you. You know, say $5,000 me have. And me no know when my light bill go due.
Listen to me.
Me tired. Just let me tell you something, no, man. I just one money me have. Me all hungry and don't use it. One money, $5,000 me have. Cause me no know when my light bill due. Because me tired to go a post office fee bill. You know what me I go do? Go down a JPS office and make them start sending it to my phone. Cause me no know when it due, but me will trust you and lend you the $5,000 me have. I hope you give me back on due time, you know.
Listen to me,
Cause me
Miss.
no want them cut off my light.
Miss Candy, come on, man. Listen to me, man. Look, you look like a somebody would borrow people things and not give them it back. Eh? You're gonna get it back.
Anyway, nobody go so far. See it here, cause me trust you as a friend. But remember say, I want money me have.
Listen to me.
And me want it back.
God bless you, see? This money you're gonna get it back.
Okay.
Miss Candy,
Yeah, me trust you feeling you.
listen on another thing. The one Pearly. You know you are going.
Now what happen again?
Pearly man, I beat her last night. Thinking I street.
Really? Then imagine me living at this community here as the president for the village. And me no know say so much sitting go on in here.
Yeah, stinking I street. Then how you there? Eh? Mighty God, but anyways, are they come go, you see?
Why you know the mix up them, sir?
Thank you again.
Alright.
Thank you again. What now, listen, not tell nobody, say me tell you, you know.
No one say, man.
Keep my name out of it.
Don't tell nobody. TV, alright.
Marjorie!
Is all that come? Hello, Mr. Village Liar, sir. No, don't bother coming, sir. Don't bother coming.
Listen.
I can't make nobody hear you coming inside.
I come from around the road and I see a little mix up, you see?
What kind of mix up? What happened?
Let I pinch you and tell you something. Miss Bev Stephenson, take him stepfather card. Gone show off with girl. Gone buy, spend half a month off an ATM card.
You lie.
I beat, me see him around there, I beat him.
You should have bust him ass. Anyways, you come with the money?
Oh, sorry, pardon me. Let's make this quick because I have some other business to attend. So I don't want to stay too long. Come on.
No. I can't do anything with you right now. I'm on my monthly.
What do you mean you're on a month? I thought you passed me for a long time. What you talk?
No. I'm still young, fresh and fertile. What is wrong with you?
Then Margie, you mean to tell me me I go walk girl all the way around here, so and you just like you never tell me that before me pass.
So me see it now. So give me the little money now. The chicken them want the little feed me, you know.
It's because me like you, you know.
You can come for you one next time. Me will call you until when it's done, so you can come.
It's when it start.
You don't need to know that man. Go on now.
Then if me don't know when it start, or me know when it done.
See the MP there come. Go on now.
See if him can gear decent and stop make him care growing at the place when the water commission. You look better than to grow on there.
Go on now, man. I know everything good for talk, you know, Mr. Vlaya, sir. Sure. Not everybody know me little business. And this can't even.
Yeah, afternoon, Miss Candy.
Afternoon.
Yeah, man, me did come for disconnect the light, you know.
As so fast the due date come? Me not just pay last month. Me can't believe it, you know, so me not have no money right now.
I kind of understand say time look like you run fast, but through the month them I cut sharp, it just look like say boy time run fast, but I due date and they send me if you come cut off so me have to cut you off.
So you can't do something for me? Do a thing for me, man, because you know me long time. God know me can't take it eat. You see, anytime the light gone, the heat a kill me, mosquito a kill me. I can't imagine you not cut off, you just do something for me, please, me I beg you. You can't get a thing.
Well, since you asked if me can do a thing for you, you have to do something for me too. So me just take a small money and when you have your money, you just go pay.
When me did I say if you do a thing for me, you know, me no mean say me will give you no money, you know, because I tell you say me not have done. That's why the due date pass and me not even realize. But me just ask if you can just, nobody cut off you. Make it stay, because me lend somebody want money and I true they not give me back on due time. So you see, as soon as me get it, me I go make sure say me pay it. I swear.
Well, normally me not really do that, you know. It's either you have to pay me cut you off or you run the money. But like I know, you know yourself. Make sure say a morning early you go start out it. Else me have to cut off you next time. Alright? Alright then. So later.
Alright then, thanks here.
Yep.
Boy, out of so dusty, man. I think God, the government, them pave the road, them couldn't even just carry some of the pavement, come over here, so. Or them left it right there, so, before them carrying some. Eh? Out of dusty, man. I'm a good them there.
Well, it's not my fault, let you know. You have to talk to the government.
Listen.
It's not my fault. The only thing we can do is just get it done.
The one station she. Between me and you know.
Yeah, man.
Is somebody a thief for goods them not gonna China gear, you know. That's why she can't sell the goods them so cheap out here.
Then how you know that?
Thinking high street.
Yeah, man, they want think, man. I'm not responsible for that. My business me I deal with. So you can go on. I go and deal with my thing right there, so.
You are the next one too. Stay there and stop go buy money at the night time, you see? That same man they go and chop off your neck when I dare them.
You go on, man, because you're an informer, you know.
Anyways, nobody call me name, you see?
Brother, I'm not responsible for you. Think me an informer. You are do your thing, you know, brother. You are say what yourself, I'm not responsible for you.
You go on, the man go and catch you with you, man. Jesus!
Village liar. You didn't see me and call your phone.
Listen to me, I don't have my phone on me.
What do you mean you don't have your phone for you?
I don't have my phone on me, man.
Look how you come to me and ask me for lend you the money.
Then it's me.
And me tell us to me who.
Take time to.
Let me go. Let me go. Me tell us the last $5,000 me have and you come borrow it from me. Me tell us to pay me JPS bill and I know you not give me back.
She's crazy, people. She's crazy.
Oi, JPS man come on me yard almost cut off me light and me have to beg him. I plea and I beg him like him and me man. Me want me $5,000 from you.
So it's not because JPS come for cut off your light means you have to come out and stuff come ring.
Because me take me $5,000 give you when me did fi pay me JPS bill with and give you. And you tell me say that give me back and I know you not carry tongue. Hey, look here.
Listen.
Village liar. Don't make me have anything out here. You hear me I tell you?
Take time talk.
Don't tell me if you take no time because when it come for me $5,000, nobody, hey, give me $5,000 before me war out here.
Candy. Listen. Not because, you know, you see if them pitney never out here, nobody can rank with me, you know.
When they pitney them, when they talk about out here, never did they win time they beg me $5,000. So me want it back. Me want it back now if you pay me bill because sake of you. Look here boy, you think me can sleep in and eat? Mosquito that kill me, me have to kiss the JPS. Look here.
So the MP man where you sleep with what have money for you from when I promise you and I promise you for last election till now him still promise you and I'm have strength for. Calm down, Miss Candy man. Calm down. Cause when I was coming to you I never come to you so loud. I know you make everybody, you know them people that's how them watch your business.
Where people them there?
The eagle of them.
Them a mind for them business, you are mind the people them business. Me want me money.
Candy. I say when you leave here, so I'll ensure when I mean my ducks from morning, you know.
Broke your ducks. Oi, you look here talk about broke ducks. When me did have the last $5,000, me warn you about it and tell us that me don't know how much me bill, what time them a come pay, come ask me fees for me go pay fees, and you have the take the last $5,000 from me and tell me say you give me back and you don't carry it come.
Boy,
what is the problem?
If me did know say I saw you now, I saw you stay when me borrow nothing from you. Maybe
and I first shut up your look here. Shut up your mouth and I first time you borrow money from me. But you know say me an idiot. Every time you come borrow money from me, I same thing me go through. But you me sorry feel like a hungry belly long gut boy. You better give me my money before me war out here in front of everybody. You hear me I tell you?
Drape me up, Candy, drape me up.
I want my money.
Listen.
You go on like say fi drape up, you hard fi drape up. Give me $5,000. Me have to beg the JPS man. Beg him fi no cut off my light. Can you imagine how you out there so they sell every day and I know you can't provide the money give me?
But I don't make no money. Listen, look how they putting them there, so.
You don't look if you don't want to look. You should have shame on yourself. Borrow people money and not have it back figure them. And you out there so they sell every day. It come like a war you want me if you war out here.
Listen, Candy.
You see that baby? Hey.
I have my lawyer, you know.
I will pull off your beard out here today. And that me they make you know. If you talk too hard, me pull off your beard. Come in and know how you grow your beard them so long, you're nasty now, I go trim. Look for you. You see anyhow, you're not giving me $5,000 by tomorrow. You're not gonna like it. Hell and powder house broke out. Hey boy, just yo. Sure. Gonna me hard.
Candy,
What happened to she now?
come here a while ago. I come create one piece of excitement in our place.
I saw she go on, man. He ever love create excitement.
Listen,
Yes.
she come here.
Mm-hmm.
All because the man when there with the MP man up front down in lane there. All because the man have one bag of woman. She come up here with the excitement now for come try for come take it out for me.
I saw she go on, man. He love the style. Eh?
And me and her have nothing, you know. Nothing me and her have.
So he just come so.
Mad, she a mad over the man. Mad over the man. And he not to know it's a nasty girl.
Jesus, peace.
Nah, clean her yard. Nobody call me name, you see? Just keep me name out of it.
That good, man. Don't worry yourself. Me and your friend long time. I have to call your name.
Nobody say me say.
No. No time for that.
Then hold on, this is what kind of sorcery over here go along with?
I don't know sorcery, you know. Me have to wait up a place.
Then-
So you will say dusty.
Then from man in the out, tell them I say wait up, but as soon that's why me not make no money. Eh? Because you out, I say wait up a place, I be like, that's why me not make no money.
I know me cannot make no money. Me have to wait up a place because it's dusty. It's very dusty, so me have to wait it. Me not wait over your side first thing. See over your side. Me have wait
It's
over my
alright.
side.
Don't make it touch me, you know.
No water not touch you. Me have wait over my side.
Where is it? But
Because
the
me
thing
have to
in
make it wet.
what's in the dark must come to the light.
And I'm making a tell you now, go on with a mix up and you up here. Just stay there. You have to wait over here, so.
Miss Navlet, good morning.
Good morning, village lawyer.
How are you doing this morning?
I am doing okay, you know. How are you?
I'm not doing so good, you know. I'm not doing so good. I did pray and ask God to just take me away from these people down there, so you see. Just move me from out there, put me somewhere with sensible people there. You can't believe which part me I walk. It's be over there, out there, you know. Be over here.
Stop the foolishness. Both people working on you. You ask, instead you ask God to move, you pray to God and say, God, make me sell. Make me goods them sell. How you come up with that? How you know when people in my work will be upon you?
Listen to me now. I know up there when I see the boy a sprinkle oil out there. Right in front of me, I not want to do it when nobody did it. Right in front of me, I must sprinkle oil. Almost it think out there. Oh, listen, and him want next one too, you know. Him want next one.
So film goods them sell.
You hardly see picnic come and premise start come by. You hardly see picnic come by.
But the son big on me. But then again, not trying to them involvement of things.
Well, listen, I know one little situation and I don't want nobody to hear my business. I need $5,000 to borrow.
When me hear you today, not even 5,000 you used to give me. I know you want 5,000 to borrow.
Listen, just let me the 5,000, man. Because when I was with you, you know, And I used to give you all those workings and workings and workings. And man, have if you say, you don't want pension. We men want pension too.
The only thing you do is stress me out when me talk.
How me stress you out?
See there, and that you do when me talk. Sit down and smoke like an idiot. So me don't have no money for lend you. Me don't have it.
So I mean, if you tell me say all of them workings there, all of them what me used to do, all them fellowship what you used to give me, I mean, you tell me say me can't get back that little pension, I just limit the 5,000 man, you will get it back.
You should not pay me for all the suffering you put me through. You should not come and say, Miss Nablet, say money for all of the suffering me put you through.
Miss Nablet, when you used to deal with me, you know, Miss Nablet, you used to name, chicken mac, you used to name steak. So no bother because me left now. It's outgrow because you know what, you start doing the things the way you used to do. Then you wear some, and now you start wear little short things like you have a little man over there.
No, I mean money do it. And you now get the 5,000 out of it.
That's not the 5,000 man, Miss Nablet. Come on,
if you don't have 5,000 you now make you, where I'll get it back for give me?
I mean, me I go get it. By the end of the day, me I go get it because I'm a man of truth and I have respect and people respect me. And them so start by from me, you know. Them so start by from me is because I hope that boy I walk. I hope that I walk, make it pick them and go there. But no way, sir, man. By the end of the week, we will ensure it. We will get it, man.
Me want back my money. Me I will let them, but me want it back.
Miss Nablet, man, come on, man. Not because me and your ex and you beat against me, you know. That means say me a man bad somebody. Me a man bad somebody, man. And you realize I have guests, so that's why me don't want to turn up your doorway, you know.
That's true. Me I will go feed. Carrot, onion, vinegar, pepper.
Thank you.
Remember, you say I will give you the back.
Then Miss Nablet, me ever borrow nothing from you and a gate bucket. If me can't get back, pull me gate elsewhere.
No, me don't want it elsewhere. Me alright now. I am quite okay. Me I live in nicest life.
Thank you, see?
So, one lady, one Obia, not Obia, don't get me wrong. One reader lady, they buy Roaring River. Right up the road. She work early in the morning or late in the evening hours. If them walk by the school gate, you will know. She has so many dreams come true and things you wish for. She good. She can check her out and say if nobody had do nothing.
Miss Nablet, me not to believe in them Obia business, you know. I mean, I'm not that type of a man. I'm a man of me read my Bible. Me rather read my Bible. I don't believe in them or something.
So how you believe say man at school get a work by you? Give me back my money then make me go and cause things.
No. That not have nothing to do with the money me borrow from you. It not have nothing to do with it. Me borrow it from you, you go get it back. But me just not believe in the whole Obia business. I never grow so. I grow.
God decent prophet by her. She's a prophet. Go on up there. She's a prophetess. When you go up there, she will tell you things. She's a prophetess, man. Go on.
You know what? Next thing, Miss Nablet. The man when you have come here at night time, tell him to stop park near the post. Tell him to park up more and stop leaving the gate open. Stop leaving the gate open, man. You think me don't know?
You know, bro, tell him like a dirty style yet. Stop watch me. Go watch your pocket. Go to school gate early, go start sell your goods so you want to come and borrow money from me.
You see, thank you, see? I don't want you ring with me. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Finish 3 weeks.
I remember go by the woman and the woman fix me up. Me have wig, me have my little website where me can go up on a night time, go make me money. Me have, see me phone here. When she had 1,000, broke me out of poverty, you think me want them place a little furniture and I am working on it. So go up by the lady, prophetess, she work good.
Make a pinch and tell us something, you see? Yep, the little girl down in lane there. Miss Patsy daughter. You know say she and her friend go to one little place. And your friend go there and make all of them friends them do whatever with her.
Miss Patsy?
That's your Patsy. Him little daughter.
Holy Patsy. The little girl did not do that. Stop it. The little girl got to church every Sunday. The little girl is so humble.
Listen to
and he go and good in his schoolwork.
Listen to me. I don't tell lie. He's out every day. He's out every day. Me see them with me 2 weeks, 2 years. Me see them over the play field.
I thought Mom good want activity. She don't want after evening.
Activity for true. They should very active.
But me go talk to Miss Patsy about this then. So you say you see.
Listen. Me never tell her nothing for go tell nobody. You know, me never tell her nothing for go tell nobody. Why me tell her something you want to tell
Patsy?
But
me make sure you hear her daughter.
Oh, you know. If Patsy asks her, oh, you know. Where I tell her?
You tell me village lie. Tell me say in that was by the place.
This is why me not tell you no.
No man, in that as a child she need to know herself. We are big people, we can't make young people in life go down kill it next thing she got pregnant.
Listen, my mouth now gonna put me in a problem, and you now gonna make because of your mouth they put me in a no problem.
I no problem, but she need to know.
Put it what me tell you under your foot. No make it come out from under your foot, go there. The next day you make you man go kill in Pitney. Eh?
She not do.
Are you in blood?
She love her daughter man, but me go talk to her about it. So when me go talk to her, you come with me here and make we explain to her.
The only come is when you give me fellow show. I did come go over, you see? Tell the blasted man to stop park this up. Park on your side of the fence.
The only thing me want you remember me $5,000 weekend. Or you don't want me go up a road for a road feet. So make sure me get me $5,000. Me don't talk to you.
No.
Village liar! Papi off, because you live here. You know, see, I'm alone live by the compound. You don't know, see, if you call out the gate and if you come right in.
Navlet, good morning.
Good morning.
Village liar, I come to. I show you the tax in the year?
In the year, you're just not too long missing.
Anyway, me lend village liar me $5,000. From when? And that the $5,000 they added to pay me light bill. No. You know what happened? Me have to sleep in a dark because a village liar. Have me $5,000. Tell me say my care back won't give me and don't give me.
Wait,
until today me don't get back my $5,000.
1 minute. Me not really busy about the light. Where you selling him?
Me lend him $5,000 that day me see him out the road. Me and him almost have big war out there. And he tell me say yes, him I go give him back, until now. Me no see nothing.
You know, say this morning me lend him $5,000.
What you do?
Me lend him $5,000 because say oh somebody and he want to give them money and me lend him $5,000.
Mine not give me no true because me come to. Look here. You see that the $5,000 there where village liar lend you? Nobody look back for it. You not get it back.
You're mad. You don't know sense. He have to give me my money, you know, and me and him there.
Wait, what you talking about?
He have to give me back my money. Me not ask him, I tell her.
Then look how long me lending me $5,000 my friend. I know. Me have to the back of him, they beg him and I beseech and I plead for the $5,000 right now. Me in a dark. JPS cut off my light.
Can you not play with him? Me not play with him. So when I'm in time, we collect my money. If he give me weekend, me I get him. Me not an argument with him. Can you have to give me my money?
You know, say anyway me see. Dirty village liar. A problem between me and him, you know. You know me, you know, a long time, me and your friend.
But with the problem.
What do you mean? So how me go get me money? Me like cut off, me want me money.
I can't beat him, I don't say him big. Here we are.
Pacho.
Here we are. Come. You go up a roaring river. Up a Two-Face. You see when you go up a Two-Face? Any problem I have that man they fix it?
A lie?
Yeah. Any problem I have that man they fix it?
I saw him bad?
Yeah.
And when she open, cause me want me $5,000.
You can go in the early morning or late evening, cause she not to work with the sun at. But she bad, so you can go check her out. So where you say? You go?
Me I go, you know. Me have to go up because me need back my money.
Yes.
Because if Village Liar thinks I saw it all go with my 5,000, the one last dege 5,000 and me have, and me tell him if he pay for me like, and him don't carry it back home give me, watch me and him. And he knows say enough he play with me already.
You see, true, me in an argument with him, me go follow you and me go with you.
Me go up there.
You can't go now, you know, she don't work with the sun, you're not here.
Alright.
You make me talk so loud. You have to go in at the early morning or the late evening. So you have to go just call me and we go up there. You understand? Me, I follow you. Come in and argue with him for my 5,000 and me just fix him and he just give back me 5 grand. But it's a good lady.
Navlet, I really want the $5,000 back, you know. But you see this mother thing when you tell me about mother two-face and before son come down. What you say son may do? He out now. So when he gone in,
yeah.
Me not really not doing something, you know, me never do that.
Alright, no problem, Ben. Have a good day.
No, listen, no, me want back me 5,000, but we can go in the evening, but me not like doing something, man.
So you talk like you're not going to do it?
Me go, because I want me like cut off and I want to pay back.
So no problem, here we go this evening.
In the evening, what time? What time we are left for?
When the sun go down. Any time after the sun go down, that is the time.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man.
Where you go? Me not walk in a sun hot, you know, me only walk early morning and late evening. But you're there already, Put in your contribution and wash your hands. In a me basin pan, yes, the basin pan.
Good evening, Mother Two-Face.
Good evening.
Listen, I have a problem.
I have a problem too. You see $5,000 you drop in and take out? Come. Me work.
Jesus Christ, madam, I never know say you're powerful. Sorry, man, I come back up in my hand. Sorry. Sorry. But anyways, when me come here...
Be quiet, man, me a read. You talk when me give you the authority. Talk, what you want?
Yes, as me I say before...
Turn your back to me and talk.
As me I say, mother. As me I say, Zine, when me come here to you for, me come here for... Listen.
You don't have to enter town room.
But listen now. You have a little boy we walk side of me. I feel like him walk up here upon me and I come for you give me something for make me make little more money. You see? And next thing I have a girl where she always take me money and I tell me saying the pan minstrel. I want you to buy up it because I need some fellow show from her. I want you to buy up it for me, you see? So I don't know what you can do, what kind of... I don't see you powerful already, but I don't know what you can do. But I want you to do something for me. Mother, listen. You have post money when I owe them money. I want you to change your mind, Franny, you see? I don't want them to remember, say, me did owe them no money. You see? And the next thing, I want you to do something for me so the people can come to me at the school gate and buy from me. You see?
You sell things?
Yeah?
You sell things?
Yeah, I sell things.
Missy say you sell things?
Yeah, so I want them to come to me. You see? And the girl I'm there tell about too, she, I want you to just, me long to see her. I want.
Dirty village liar! I say you can't spend the money all the while, make you can't give me back the money.
Hi, not in my place, not in my place. This is a place of spiritual empowerment.
Village liar!
I know your time yet. Hello. You say when the sun gone down, you work on early morning.
Hi. Not in my place. This is a place of spiritual empowerment. You don't come here with the loud noise.
Not your time.
You don't come to check on the mother?
You see you work on early morning and late evening yet.
Young lady, take time to talk to me because I will make your mouth come back at you. What you do?
Sorry, sorry.
Listen. It's my auntie, it's my sister. It's come to tell her because my auntie passed out, so I come to pass on the message to her.
I could have even your girl. Me want me $5,000. Say, can you make me sleep in a dark and me can't stand it. Give me my money.
Then you no finish.
Give me my money.
Look here. You see? We make the rain start fall. Me no in the foolishness. Me no like mix up and me no like propaganda. Look here. Village liar. Check out the money, give candy. Navlet.
You know my name?
Of course, me know your name. Me have 3 eyes. Navlet. Me have the money in my back pocket. Come, take it out of the way.
It's the one money me can't come.
Pay the people them their money.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Come here.
Give me my money.
Give me my money. All right. Listen, wait. Stop now, man.
Don't give me my money.
Listen to me. No make nobody know. So
Jesus Christ Almighty. Give me.
Here.
Thank you.
This is why
You look here, tell him thanks. Navlet, come on. Yes, I boy, I spend no money all the while. You're a wicked.
You go want again. No, you're not.
Not let him nothing.
No, I don't know to man. You know we are cut me dead man there.
I saw me know said I'll be a walker.
I'll be walking like your mama.
I walk out.
Where you do so?
I'm a sister.
Go on home. Sister Candy, go on
Mother,
home.
you're not getting nothing
Sister
but
Navlet.
from me again.
No,
Mind me have to turn your mouth back at you.
Get it from me.
So what you going to do now, Navlet?
Same time, same place. So here?
All right.
Navlet.
Something in your house I need to
Don't worry yourself, man. Man, why
Quiet.
You don't worry yourself. You're going to come back for more money. You don't get here. I'm going to give you money. Come for.
Navlet, something in your house I need to take out tonight. You hear me? All right. I will call you. If you hear any knocking, don't answer. Just get one bottle of water and wet up the roof. Go on in peace. Candy, I need to talk to you after here, but I will dream you tonight.
don't pay me no mind, you see?
Young man, you see me have to get up off of my throne. I'm going to warn you. I'm going to warn you this once, and don't make me have to warn you this twice. You see the mix up, your mouth, it will get you in a problem. You hear me? Do not go back and borrow no money. Do not go back and try to sex off the woman them in the village. I know you can see right through. And do not cause no loud bangarang in a none of them farmer place where you go again. Do not do it.
All right, mother. Listen, but you know, I have something for your slump, and you know what? We can make this work, you know. We can actually make
Look
it.
here, pull it up back. Cause don't make me have to make that thing cannot work anymore, you know. I am a big spiritual woman. Come go home. Come go home before me call up the lightning.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brownfield. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his trucks, everything seems alright. Hey. Just the other day, police start checking on the lane. Hey, what's that boy preaching? The word's not reaching. Now go for your church, boss. Not a Bout you a check for me, sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system.
Listen to me, Sister Nadine. I don't want you continue to make that boy thing over here. Your dirty baby father. Me don't want him over here. Because he's a link for the little jing bang link down the lane. You hear me tell you?
Yes.
And listen, nobody knows me in things, you know.
Yo, Miss Candy, you see, me didn't ever know say so far. Me not come, me not lie. But it's a bad road and where can we come in a bush, man?
Driver, me sure say you ask me which part me I go and me tell you, and the money where you charge me pay you, so you're not supposed to come pay
Yeah,
me
you
or nothing
tell me
like
where
that.
you go, but me never know say so far.
Well, me no the distance me can't even know neither, because me just recently moved in a place. A direction me get to. Big boy, come out of the bus now.
God, man, can you run
You
taxi?
see, I'm tired already and they come from so far. You come up in a bus like I in there you live. You're not coming out.
Come like
And pick up your suitcase. You're not going to help me carry it today. You're too big and lazy. How me to talk to? Turn around. When me
Yo,
talk
yo,
to
see
you,
suitcase, Miss Candy. When me gone here, your son can't deal with
remember say me pay already, you know, you didn't give me back no change, but you can't take it because I road bad. You, come help carry suitcase. Turn around, me I talk to you. When me I talk to you, look for me. Thank you, sir.
I don't like up here, look up here, that be a bush.
You don't like up here, sir? Your papa did give me anywhere?
We say we'll keep it on a secret.
Secret. You see? Come, because last night, I never like what you do, but come on.
We will talk about that part then.
Do me the beg you. Me just newly come in the area and you with your antics and niggas. Don't come here so with it. Please, me the, take up your suitcase.
Mosquito go bite me.
All right. Big boy! Big boy, all right. I went there around there go. Big boy, come in with the suitcase. All right, wait till I hold you. You're going like a outer door, you're go sleep tonight. You figure you have to come in. All right.
Hold on, is all them, you know them people there?
No, it looks like a new people.
Come if you want to introduce yourself.
Well, if the whole I load them for me. Oh, you're little and wicked. But if I want food, me they call you for your compete though. Big boy!
You need all this money to go around, so.
Exactly.
Take God. Put down the smile.
Some boy go make me lick him down, you know. Big boy, come help me carry the suitcase.
Hello. Good evening. My name is Village Lawyer. I'm the man who know everybody around here and this. Come now, Sister Nadine. You have to present yourself properly, you know. So yes, this is Sister Nadine, and as I said before, I am Village Lawyer. I'm the man who know everybody and know everything around here.
Hi.
You like you new. Where are you from, though?
Sir, I come here to question me about my business.
I mean, you just come in the community, and I like to.
I come from Negril. I'm just recently moving in the area. What is it?
Well, I just introducing myself. As I said before, I'm the man who know everybody, and he look like a very nice. I see
You know everybody.
That's your son. That's your son. Just run out. That's your son.
Yes. How?
That's a very big boy, man.
He is a big boy.
All right.
See for yourself, thank God.
All right. Sorry for.
Why make you come and question me? Me not like people question me. Me not even know you. Where you come from?
Well, I'm the caretaker for this land over here, but I live up there. You see? And this is Sister Nadine. She live over there. So, yeah, I'm the man. But sorry for disturbing, man.
If you want to go same church, what me call is I say sister. Is your church brother?
Yes, it's my church brother.
So, what, can I ask you something? Why your arms him up so in your arm and your church brother? Is your husband? So,
My church brother.
say enough.
Listen, man.
What?
This is my church sister. It's nothing more than that.
Your church sister.
Yes, as I said,
right.
sorry for disturb you.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of the day,
Why
you see?
you come to me just to question me because you don't know me? Or you come to come help me carry the bag because the big boy run gone. Me one son of me have run gone. Because he don't want to help me with the bag. And you just come and question me and get on top of my nerves and this a boy give me trouble. What is the problem, sir?
That's a fitness to you, man, but listen.
Like seriously?
Let her help me with the bag, then. Sister Nadine, just hook up, you see? Let me help her with the bag.
If you want to help me, you help me, man. Now come over here and question me.
Then that have you see about man.
They finish it. Finish it. Alright.
Like school not open yet.
It's too open. Walk up now, Bigger Joe. Come, start right here, so me talk to you. You see what you used to do last year? Me, no one, no teacher, no principal call my phone and tell me, say, you are bad. You see, you walk and in every classroom as Kanto, where me here. You understand? You thief out everybody, picnic sitting, and you beat them up. And this a new year now. And last year, this year, new year, new rules. Let me tell you this, Bigger Joe. Don't play with me. I mean, I want no teacher. Me no want no teacher call back my phone again. Our principal call back my phone again and tell me, say, Bigger Joe, beat up people them pitney and thief out people them pitney things. You hear what me said, oh, Bigger Joe? Bigger Joe, me I talk to you, answer me.
Yes, mommy. Me here, yes, sir.
Go on to school now and make sure, say, when you come home, your clothes clean for you and make sure, say, you do your work. And show me when you come from school.
Mommy, today I first day at school.
Look here, me need to see your work because them a give work over there. And me,
Mommy.
Bigger Joe, when me a talk, don't talk. Listen to me, Bigger Joe. And me your mother. See your sister here? Your sister Sue go to school. Sue Cara go to school. Don't worry about that. Anyway, me say me need to see your work when you come from school.
Okay.
You hear me say?
Yeah.
Go on to school now. Later on. Turn up my daughter. Let me not come down do my daughter. Let me forget one taxi man.
Come out. From morning you asleep. Eh? The light from morning you still lie down in your bed. You know what time now? Go on go bed. Mr. Figure hold your shower right now. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. From morning you wake up. I soon give you one.
Mommy, me can't go to school tomorrow, mommy.
Go to school tomorrow. Son, I want school day this. Big and nasty. Sun hot from morning. No mind sharp bell ring. Devotion start. Go bed. Nasty. Go and go have your shower, man. Yeah, me slapping in your mouth. You must see torment. I know that. Stand up out there and no bed and see what me do with you. Watch me and you. Oi. How you done bed so quick? You bed already?
Yes, mommy.
Come here. Come. Let me see back of your ears.
Look. Smell my arm. My beard.
Oh, you look like you wet up your face, sir. You look like you wet up your face. I know your back no touch. So hold on. Water dey on your foot? Your face and right this one, no else water on this. What kind of bathing? Turn up there, may they come. Turn up. You shouldn't run, you should have turn up. You're too nasty. Little boy, go bathe and me dey wait for you, come get ready to go to school. Wait, man. Watch what me go do with you. Come, go on.
Mommy, please, mommy, me can't go to school tomorrow, mommy, please.
How much time you go say that? Boy, go along which part of they go?
Mommy, my belly hurt me, mommy. I feel like I want to do.
One!
I feel like I want to do.
No, man, that I like. Come, you just look, you're not bother me. Come, walk up fast, because right now you're late. Boy, to pick up the dirty something them on fire road, you're mad people. Sure. Hurry up. Oi. You go down like people them school gate with your clothes there, so button up yourself, man. Oh, Tada, look how you come on road and fix up your clothes too.
Mommy, I don't like your pants. Your pants big, mommy.
You're lucky. You take off weight, me did buy as your size. So you not get too much food in them again.
No, you pick them and go laugh off for me.
Make them laugh off for you.
Mommy, I've been a big boy, but me know my pants big.
The teacher, you see, you hear what the teacher say? No tight pants. You hear me I tell you? So you better wear it so they don't want to see it in high school them. They don't want no tight pants in there.
Mommy, the girl ain't like tight pants, man.
Are the girl them pants are for you? Look at somebody come to school go and look. I send you come to learn. Damn fool, but girl not like big pants. So you must see how tight up yourself sake a girl. Papi sure.
Mommy, give me some money.
You know, see you're big and lazy, me don't like your style, you're too lazy. Big boy, me can't take this thing no more with you. You see all of the outhardeness them where you're going in the niggeril, no bother with it down here, so. That the school there, your name in the principal book about 1 million and 10 and 100 billion trillion time. Me no want to hear say your name in no book and no teacher, they come call me on the phone say they need to talk to me, sake of you. Me tired of it. A new school this. You understand what I say? Yes. New here, new school, so a new rule. All of the old foolishness them where you go on with that niggeril. Please me I beg you cut out it before you step through people them gate. Cause I don't want no principal or no teacher they call me. You hear what me say? So no bother with it down here, so. Oi.
Mommy, give me some lunch money now.
What's me not give you no money for it? Alright. Hold this. This how much money? How much money this? Look funny.
Nanny.
Nanny. And nanny the penny, but you don't know how much it, but you know if you spend it anyway, care about me change. $50 you have to take out, they carry on back $450. That is $500. You're big and fool now about nanny. That a nanny. Watch out. Why look like his school gate locked so? Little boy. How long you stand up here, sir? Where's security?
You know, she had 2 seconds and come here, sir.
Lord Jesus. You see it? You see how me they tell us if you hurry up? From morning you lie down in my bed, you now move, sun hot. How much o'clock now? You teach at the mind chapter make a principal turn in high school and hear me out here, so you just a come. The
Miss,
first day.
Miss, sit 2, 3
Hello. Excuse me? Yes, when you see somebody they talk, you need to say, excuse me, please. Miss, whatever, and you start talk.
But you're not in my way.
Hello. Me know say, you're not no manners already. Me can't see it from you. What is the problem?
Yeah, miss. We know it's so late, but I saw break time. They're so up in it. So, he can't stay until break time.
You sound like you own the school, eh? Anyway, big boy. Hello. You are like you deaf too. The little boy, they go to school over here so long time. So him understand whatever, how them bell ring and go on whatever breaks. So, you see, anytime you hear the bell ring, it breaks time. So just go straight in, go to the teacher or the principal, tell them, say, the reason why you're late is because you wake up late. And you go look on them and say, Miss, sorry, tomorrow morning, I go make sure say me early, me now go do it again. Because your first time you have to tell them say you're sorry, you're not going like you're not big man like people them school. When you go in to talk to them, me, I go somewhere now. We have a lot of things to do. See you, you can't bother with you, no big boy. Stay there so until they open me gate. And me have to go.
I want some cash right now. So just let it go. No talking. Just give me money.
Hey boy, you know me, big boy.
Oh, yeah, me.
Eh? I mean name big boy, me thump in your face, one wish cash. I think my mother tell me.
Easy.
No, don't put your hand for me.
Easy no one.
No, put your hand for me.
Easy no one. Me just do that because guess what? Pocket full of money. Feel like a chunk change can't do me now. So hear me now. I mean name big as June. Me and you can run off the block. We say Yaga River. Yo, where you take so long for think, bro?
Alright, come on, cause me no want to go to school either. My mother did done tell me something bright already, so my mother, me not forgot on school.
Top.
My mother done tell me something bright already. She
That
tell me
is
something
it.
bright, bro.
Yeah,
Me
man.
not forgot on school.
Forward. I'm have an auntie over there, so what you say? Enough people man go there over there now.
My mother said me nothing them nobody yard. Me not got nobody yard.
Yo, you dopey what? How you come on river then?
Me have money in my pocket. Me can buy something for eat if I want.
And we can buy rum over there, so Tina.
I don't want no rum. So you really I go vex with me over a girl and the girl never talk to you first. The girl never talk to you first and me girl is a talk to. You move like you're mad, man.
Big man, you ain't never talk to me, right?
Big boy,
Mommy?
come here. Little boy, come here. Come on, Tyrod. Come on, Tyrod. Oi, turn up right here, so. Come, you come around here, so. Come right here, so, to me. Right here, so. Right. Where you coming from?
Mommy, at school me I come from, then rain did a fall and then they have swimming competition over there and so.
Are you school?
Yes, rain fall, mommy, and me I tell us, and then no picnic did in there, mommy, and then some white people come and then give it sweetie and something.
What do you have over your school? Sea or river?
See, rain did a fall and then I was swimming competition.
Jesus Christ. Big boy. Big boy.
Mommy, me not tell you no lie.
What you just said to me? I know you say me you come like me dumb. Them have swimming competition at your school.
Yeah.
And rain did a fall and you enter.
Yeah.
Blood of Jesus. Come here.
But mommy.
Come here. I make you one marina when last money when me take and buy give your church out. Big boy, so you enter swimming competition at your school in a rain? And you cannot swim, you're not afraid of John? Big boy. Oh, you're so, hey, you're wicked online, boy.
Mommy, me not tell you no lie, mommy.
Yeah. Miss, excuse me, please. A true. Miss,
True say what?
True. Then they have a swimming competition. But guess what? It's the first thing. You say you can't swim and you're right. Cause he nearly drown. And me have to pull him out of the water. And you see the worst part of it too. Hey boy, you see money we give him, one boy kick him in the mouth and take you away.
Come on, so. Come on, so to me.
Mommy, I lie my tell for me, mommy.
Me send you to school for people beat you. Them are your mother and your father.
Mommy, I lie my tell. No boy no kick me no.
Hold on there. Cause you give me one side of story, and now this a little boy I can't give me one other side of story. You know, say it won't lie do. Me no believe none of it won't. Oi, you shut up no more. Nobody no say nothing. Me get a phone call. Say you big boy there river with one of your classmates, them. So I plan or no plan this. Eh? Come here. You, come here. You. Look here, stand up right here, so. So all the time you stand up here, they talk. I lie they tell me. So, little boy, since me left Uno school this morning, you really take me son and can go river and come tell me like so I plan or no plan. Jesus Christ, I don't know what to do with you. You see if I never one thing, boy, you see as long as I live and you see my son come to school, no have nothing to do with him again. You understand me?
But I never said nothing to him this morning.
How comes you no catch a river? My son don't know no way down here so. He just recently moved down here so. Yes.
I call him man, waiting in class, carry my river.
So you never there river?
No, me not got river. Cause me can't swim.
So hold on. Jesus have mercy. Come down from up heaven, come help me. How your clothes are wet? How what happened?
Because you know.
And why you not in your uniform? Watch ya.
You know,
See your mama. Take it up. Take up your alone and me take it from you and the job. Take it up on the 2 little road.
You know, sister, me fat. I sweat. And
you're fat?
Yeah.
Me look like idiot to you, so I eat make you sweat. Go your yard. Go your yard. You're damn bad now. Your mama fi kill you with liquor when you go home. And you turn up the, you think, hey boy. Get up. Wherever they go. Come here.
Mommy, me tell you.
Where they run from me for?
Mommy, because...
I mean your mother, me they talk to you, they run.
Mommy, because water gone from a school from morning and then the principal send me home early so we can go home early, mommy, and then they have one swimming competition over one next place and we did stop.
The teacher tell us or the principal so you can go home?
If one teacher,
which teacher?
You want to work out the gate, the man will work
out. I call the principal right now. You're too
mommy, you're not going to get him.
I'm not going to get him?
No, because they have graduation.
I look like idiot to you, not true? Let me tell you something why I left you dirty pooper. Your pooper idiot. You hear? I never want to tell me no fool. You want to language for them. Come here.
Mommy.
Where they run they go? Eh?
Mommy, please, mommy.
Stand up, I want to talk to you. Come stand up right here, so. Big boy, I'm tired to beat you, you know. God knows I'm tired to beat you. You're not tired to get licked?
Yes, mommy.
So, what make you get so much trouble? Eh? Me send you to school, you reach a river, and the amount of lie where you tell me.
Mommy, a bigger Joe, mommy, tell me, say, you are go up there, mommy, and me must come because them have parents teacher meeting up there, and if me not come, he might take me lunch.
Them have parents teacher where, up at the river?
Them a Fairfield meeting.
Big boy, you know, so me tired of beat you. Me tired. You're not tired to get it, eh? Every minute, you put yourself in a problem. You need to stop now. Me tired to beat you. Me can't take this no more. It look like I say you want me walk and name out a garbage pan. I'm mad you want me fi mad? Eh? No. Answer me.
No, mommy.
It look like you want mad me. No, sir. God. Me ask you for your son and you give me a problem. Please, me ask you if you give me. For that kind of pick me when me get.
Mommy, me have no problem, mommy. Me have no problem. Me a go be a good
me
boy.
Did want one son like Moses. And this a boy I devil himself. Go in, go bed and put on different clothes. Cause me no know what them here. All they carry extra clothes in our bag and sitting. Me say, me no know what me I go do with him. Me tired of you. You see if you're not, big boy, you see if you're not top, if you're not stop get trouble, me I go give you for adoption. Watch me and you. I can't take this thing no more, man.
The hairstyle you go put up, Boy, look on the shoes. Look on the shoes where people then send come for foreign. You go and put on it for your guys school. And me buy your school shoes. What is wrong with you? Come on, man. Come on, and me follow your guys school. You understand?
But mommy, look for my pants. Look for my pants big and crush up. When me forgot
you can't see it there. Cause me can't even straighten it out because you mash up the iron, little boy. What make you must do that? What? Me tell you to turn down the iron.
Mommy, but you tell me if you turn up the iron, mommy, and me turn it up. Me never expect it to mash up.
That's because the skirt iron. You see man and me carry come to fix the iron. He can't fix it, so you go to school this morning.
Mommy, but I can't buy Mr. Jones' iron.
Me not borrow iron. Me say I saw you they go to school this morning. So come on. Come on. And don't give me no talk on the road, little boy. No ramp with me. You know say if you ramp with me already, you know that boy. Oi.
You know what I'm saying? Woman beat me just to go for no reason at all.
What you do?
Me say for no reason, mommy.
You come from school on a ball. What do you? Tell me what you come here a ball and talk about one lady beat you. Where lady beat you for? Talk to me.
One lady when you miss Candy beat me for no reason at
all. So, me send a guy school in your car, you come back in a dem here.
Because me jump in a dirty water.
No go some. Me want to see a khaki, them when I go in a house. You see you, bigger Joe? Watch me and you. Me go beat you when me go in.
I put it up on the liquor me get from the woman.
She and your mother, me and your mother, and me I go lick you because you go tell me now, say me send a go to school after you mash up the iron. After you screw them out of iron now. Me get the man come fix you and the man can't fix you. Me send a go to school. Shame way, you know. And then you come back in this year, go tell me, say, lady beat you. If you didn't come back in your school clothes, then boy. And tell me what make a lady lick because the lady who just get up and lick you. So what you doing, lady? What you doing, lady? Where you take her for, lady? Talk to me. Me turn up in a... Talk to me, boy.
Oh, no, my friend named Big Boy. If his mother see me, I come from school with him and he come lick me in my face but I go home to my mother.
So what you do make him lick you? What you do, Panny?
Let me not do nothing, mommy.
Look, listen to me. Just go in our house. No, to go in.
Mommy, back door, the front door open.
The back door open.
Okay.
Front door not open.
Okay.
Go on. Take your time and go on. And tomorrow, when me I can go to school, me want you can go show me lady so me can talk to lady because I must something you doing, lady. I hope I know nothing you're doing because anyone nothing you do, boy, me go murder you. What me say me I go do? Tell up so me I talk to you. Me say anyone nothing you do, me I go beat you. Me I go lick you. So no ramp with me, boy. Go in there, sir. In there, sir, me see if you go. I'm gonna stand and I'm gonna show them how you write at school.
Okay.
Take time, what man? Come on, bigger Joe. Every day I give people talking. Every day I give me talking. Candy! Candy! Oi!
How that call me? How that?
Yes, you lick me son with piece of wood, you know.
Me come in. I'm fixing my clothes.
Come out there to me, man. Come out there to me. Me need to talk to you, man. Me need to talk to you. You lick me son with wood, man, and I want to know how you lick me son, man. What my son do you?
You go take up them clothes there, now. Like rain go fall. Hello.
My
Good
son,
day.
Good day. My son tell me say you lick him with piece of wood. I want to know why you take wood and lick my son.
Mommy, I never would me tell you. Me
You
tell you
what?
so a fat stick. Or a stick. What I leave me there, man.
Hello. Nobody with the
Why?
argument here, so.
You never
Excuse me.
tell-
Hello, lady. You come to me?
Yes.
Your son. Not tell you the reason why me take the hood and lick him with it.
No, you not tell me reason why. Just run come tell me say, Mommy, Candy take piece of wood and lick me cross my back.
No disrespect. As a parent, your pitney come home and tell you something like that and you not try to figure out what is the problem and why a next person lick your son with piece of wood. Well, let me tell you something, woman. You not even know who forget you come. Me no play with people. So when you come on to my son, big boy, me no want nobody pitney ramp with him. Your son first attack me pitney at school. Almost take away all my money. Lucky thing me teach my son sense, if you never know. My son named Big Boy. Original Big Boy. And he no play with people neither. His mother ain't take off and that is me. He grow without father. So you come at the wrong woman gate. I can't accuse me. Listen to me. You accuse me wrongfully. Same how you can take Wednesday and come to me and didn't ask him what go down. Me can't say me never lick him to all if me did lick him. Ask a pitney what happened.
Boy, Bigger Joe, where you lick Candy son at school? Fat or current?
Oh, stop it. Hold on right there. So put on some clothes when you're talking. No, lady. No. Tap right there, so right now. No man cannot lick my son. My son no come down, so he's straight. Remember, me tell you that. Nobody with him. Me never tell us say no man lick my son. Me never say that. Me say your son attack my son to take away money at school. Then, when he say can't manage him, he left him with the money and came go river. And then we are coming from river. You see? Yeah. A matter of fact, let me tell you the full story. It's a phone call I get that my son there river with one little ugly boy and me no know who. You understand? So me leave my yard to go find out who is this thieving boy. In the walk up and down. Because I want my son, me say you knew you just start go to school. And me no want you go out with no thieving somebody to come put me in a problem because I'm me alone and him. And God. You understand? On my way, coming to the river, me buck my son with this boy. I never know say I have such a nice mother. How the cloth is so ugly. Listen, sorry. Me no mean you no harm, but maybe I the man in favor. Excuse me, daddy. Listen, that no concern me still. Lady, you see your son? You need to teach your son manners and respect. He full of too much attitude. And me go tell you straight up now, yes, me boss him ass. Because I don't have nothing about him. And anyway, did care my son go river go join him. All you not even know what I do with you. You hear me I tell you? Stay there look at me from head to toe like a something strange you see in your real life. You see your son, they join my son? Me no know how it would work out between me and you, no lady. Because me would have joined you back on anything what want happen, anything, me no care what want happen after. I'm not lucky. All you know to do, move from me gate.
Bigger Joe, imagine me saying I got a school boy and you go take people them picnic and carry people them picnic go river and you like, hey boy, for the journal people them picnic, eh? And take people them picnic money. Boy, me find this a switch right here and look at me. Boy, I go kill you with it.
What about from me gate? I should have police me call pound.
Look how boy make me and you in an argument, Miss Candy. And me ain't not supposed to have an argument over there, so I live in I live right here, so.
Over there, you live?
Yes, right over there, so
This boy I didn't tell me when live where he hit.
Man, me want peace, more switch with me. It's a boy I not here. Forcing the John for let me switch. Boy. No fight me, no boy. Let me go. Put me back. Boy. Take care of my face, no boy. Look how more make me and the woman.
Thank you, Jesus.
Look how more make me and the woman now. Hot water.
Whoa.
The switch are broke.
Hold on more from me gate. Don't come in my yard. Go away. Hold on more from you. More from you, so. It won't no more from me gate. You do no foolishness. Go on your yard. I no come on and so we do no damn all foolishness.
They'll kill you.
And that you no call me for?
You see?
That's the hot water pound.
That's the boy is coming. Let me and woman you in hot water. Boy. You're going to murder the boy. Piece of switch.
Come. Ring a rosy.
Ring a rosy.
Ring a rosy. Well, down.
Me can't play her?
No.
No.
Why?
No. Because no.
Come.
You know, so me like this up on your hand, me can't get in.
No.
Why?
No.
My sister want one.
I'm not business with your sister.
Let me see it.
No.
Because you had to.
Me say no.
If you push me again, me I go thump in your back.
I know that. That's if me not slap in your mouth. Def say no.
Look girl.
Def say no.
I wonder if you say dry and picky.
Me nah give you me things. Move from in front me nah give you me things. Me nah give you. Move from in front me nah give you. No, me don't tell me brother.
We just know we want to tell him brother for him too.
Come in. 1, 2, come now. Knock it back. 1. Pull it. 1. You know play boy. Be a top star here for yourself, so you go on so.
Let's go.
What not the sister?
Because you beat me up and take when me something off of my hand.
I mean bigger you beat you up. Come on. Yo, spoon it. Forward. Yes, boy, this
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm my sister there.
What you talk about?
You mean that she don't come tell me say you beat her up, ball, come tell me say you beat her up and take her things. Yeah. How can I girl think this you have in your hand? What is that? Why you there, Pan? Come listen and tell the people, boy. What I'm to you? I'm boxing in your face or trace you don't know nobody. Eh? I will shut you alone, the boy. Tell the person.
Turn up.
Yeah, boy. Get your What I'm to you? Eh? Well, relax yourself.
Relax yourself, you. Yeah, man.
Relax yourself. You're a bad man, man. You're man. Pick up it. Go on. Go on here. Go on, my sister. Everything from here. Go on here. What?
Come here. Go on here. That's one lick. Hey. Go on here. How are you? Look. Go ahead!
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up
Mommy.
Yes, a bigger Joe.
You know, say Miss Jennifer boy, them gang me and beat me. Mommy, she give me 500 this morning and them get 100 off to come to school and beat me up and take it away.
You see that I want auntie there too. Me can't take the problem, you know. Can't take the problem. Me just can't take it. You know what? Me will turn off the pipe and you can me go show me.
Mommy, what's supposed to wake me up?
Why tapping knife? Tapping knife on my head. Boy, suppose me the wet you up. Boy, them beat you while you couldn't beat them. Look how you big. Look how me I feed you for boy. Him boy.
But him a giant. Him a giant, mommy. But he's the boy. You can't leave me, mommy.
Why not so? I feed you for boy. You mean I feed you for make people and murder you? Eh?
Oh, me take up badness and top girl school, you know.
Tapping knife, boy, you take up badness. Me lick off your mouth off your body, boy.
So I praise Pony. But they are going to call out my sister now. She dey on her phone, so I know what thing go. Yeah, I make certain so them boy not ramp today, you know.
Anybody do me nothing, I can't tell you.
Yeah, because I have a big belly sitting them in. Any boy ramp today, just let me know. So I know what to do, you see it. Any boy at all or any girl, you tell me.
Come on, what you say? Man, you make him man beat you up.
Because our little girl, his sister something drop off and I'm sure his sister come call him brother them to keep me in my bottom.
So that's why your clothes dirty up, so?
Yeah.
All right, me I go down there.
And them a smoke weed down there.
Me not busy with them and we want to go ask him and make him beat you. Because the your clothes dirty. You sure they make you over yourself?
You one of them, but they want to have say a big belly something.
Lee. When him? Let's go. You me a talk to you, sir. Me come to you. And me say, hold on, you have a gang, me pick him and beat him for what? And he come on here dirty. All in clothes full of grass and dirt.
So you not tell her what I do? You not tell her say beat up my little sister?
No, you not tell me when do.
But you can't tell her say me beat him up though. I will already beat him up now.
You say hold on, beat him up.
Hold on, uno.
Yeah, hold on, chow. And him too, all the man over there on the bicycle. Chow and your sister too. Want to lick him for when do? Where do?
Me no do nothing, mommy. Me see pink something drop off a girl and cause him there play ring and
you know say the front for me no boy. And where do make him lick ya? And you know say you're a big man too finna lick me pitney. You know you're a big man, me finna go prison and run for me no boy.
I joke yeah man, me tell you something. I'll do next time me lick him, you come put on the palm because next time you lick my sister trouble. That me I tell you, how you mean?
Remember you know me the one, you know, tell you say me I go call police for you, you know. Cause you're a big man, you know, you don't even know I will grab you, I just because I don't want to get no problem, you know. I will grab you and beat you, the boy. You see next time, you see, where you send?
Call police, man. That's what you do. Cause me don't talk to you already, you know.
What you do? Talk out to your mouth because I can't take a problem, you know, little boy.
Mommy, me see this something drop off a girl and cause him a play ring.
Alright, let me talk to you, girl. Where do?
Me a play with them and he come and me tell him say nah play with you and he come and bad me up and take when me sit and fight me.
Yeah, that you do. So, after you go and take off the girl sitting off on your hand and fight the girl, you make me come here so, in an argument with you, but man, wrongfully, you know, I'm a big man, you know, and you know, so not put your hand for no liquor pit in the kind of golf prison, you know, but you see, boy, I go beat you because me tell her the way I say if you fight people and come on bigger joke and I go beat you. I beat you because you've been helping to fight.
Yeah man, if you get beaten man, beat him man.